Title 21 is the portion of the Code of Federal Regulations that governs food and drugs within the United States for the Food and Drug Administration, the Drug Enforcement Administration, and the Office of National Drug Control Policy. It is divided into 3 chapters: Chapter 1 a Food and Drug Administration, Chapter 2 a Drug Enforcement Administration, Chapter 3 a Office of National Drug Control Policy. Chapter 1. Most of the Chapter 1 regulations are based on the Federal Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. Notable sections: 11 electronic records and electronic signature related, 50 protection of human subjects in clinical trials, 54 financial disclosure by clinical investigators, 56 institutional review boards that oversee clinical trials, 58 good laboratory practices for non-clinical studies, the 100 series are regulations pertaining to food, 101, especially 101.9 nutrition facts label related, c. 2, a requirement to include trans fat values, c. 8, if, a vitamin and mineral values. 106 to 107 requirements for infant formula, 110 sec. CGMPS for food products, 170 food additives, 190 dietary supplements. The 200 and 300 series are regulations pertaining to pharmaceuticals, 202 to 203 drug advertising and marketing, 210 sec. CGMPS for pharmaceuticals, 310 sec. Requirements for new drugs, 328 sec. Specific requirements for over-the-counter drugs. The 500 series are regulations for animal feeds and animal medications, 510 sec. New animal drugs, 556 tolerances for residues of drugs in food animals. The 600 series covers biological products, 601 licensing under Section 351 of the Public Health Service Act, 606 sec. CGMPS for human blood and blood products. The 700 series includes the limited regulations on cosmetics, 701 labeling requirements. The 800 series are for medical devices, 803 medical device reporting, 814 pre-market approval of medical devices, 820 sec. Quality system regulations, 860 sec. Listing of specific approved devices and how they are classified. The 900 series covers mammography quality requirements enforced by CDRH. The 1000 series covers radiation-emitting device requirements enforced by the Center for Devices and Radiological Health. The 1200 series consists of rules primarily based on laws other than the Food, Drug, and Cosmetic Act. 1240 rules promulgated under 361 of the Public Health Service Act on interstate control of communicable disease, such as, requirements for pasteurization of milk, interstate shipment of turtles as pets, interstate shipment of African rodents that may carry monkeypox, sanitation on interstate conveyances. 1271 requirements for human cells, tissues, and cellular and tissue-based products. Chapter 2, Notable Sections, 1308 Schedules of Controlled Substances, 1308.03, a Administrative Controlled Substances Code Number, 1308.11 List of Schedule I drugs, 1308.12 List of Schedule II drugs, 1308.13 List of Schedule III drugs, 1308.14 List of Schedule IV drugs, 1308.15 List of Schedule V drugs. Chapter 3, Notable Sections, 1405 Government-wide requirements for drug-free workplaces. Notes. See also, Title 21 of the United States Code, Food and Drugs, UDRA-Lex. External links. Title 21 of the Code of Federal Regulations.